Welcome back to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you on how to connect your Wi-Fi hotspot from phone with laptop without any stress. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you turn your internet on and on your hotspot. And for you to do that, just swipe down on your phone just like so. I'm going to make this of MTN Nigeria. So after on my internet data or phone, next thing I'm going to do is to navigate to my hotspot. So you can see the hotspot right here. I'm going to simply click on here, and that is hotspot. So it simply means that I have on the phone internet and I have turned on my hotspot. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get the hotspot password, because I'm going to use it to connect with my laptop. So what I need to do is to head over to my phone settings. So you have to click on your phone setting, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Just head over to your phone setting. So having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply click on hotspots and connections. So click on that. It takes you to your hotspot data. So the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on hotspots. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on hotspot settings. So it takes you right here. So this is the hotspot password that you need right here. So the phone I'm using is Infinix Note 30, and this is the hotspot password down below right here. Next thing I need to do is to connect this particular internet hotspot with my laptop with this particular password. So let's see how to eventually connect this hotspot with the laptop using this particular hotspot password. So let's check it out. All right, so the very next thing you need to do is to open up your PC. Having opened up your PC, next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, this global icon, simply click on that. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on. So having on your Wi-Fi, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on the phone that you want to connect, and this is going to open up. Then click on connect, and you will be asked to enter the hotspot password. What you need to do is to simply enter the password. So having entered the password, next thing you need to do is to simply click on next. Do you want to allow your PC to be discovered by other PC devices on this network? Simply click on no. So in a few seconds, you are going to be successfully connect with your laptop with an internet. So if you come down below right here, you see that internet access. So basically, this is how to simply connect your phone hotspot internet to your PC without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.